If you want to try something new, order an iced guava passion fruit drink with peach instead of guava. Here's how it's made. Peach juice, coconut milk, pineapple ginger syrup, ice, and shake. Pour into the cup. Add the lid. And enjoy. Amazing! You guys have got to try this. Strawberry puree, lemonade, pour into the blender, vanilla bean powder, cream base, and ice. Gonna add a lid. Yum! Enjoy. The lid. There you got it, the pink Starburst Frappuccino. Okay, I have to try this. What? I do recommend. Dragon drink. Mango dragon fruit. Coconut milk. Dragon fruit. Ice. And watch the change in color. Enjoy. Let's make a peaches and cream frappuccino. Heavy cream, and then some peach juice. Pour into the blender. 4 scoops of vanilla bean powder. Big scoop of ice. Cream base. And then blend. Pour it into the cup. Perfect. Boom. So look at that. Enjoy. 2% milk, cloud powder, vanilla, two shots of espresso. Gonna pour it in the cup. A little bit of ice, and add the espresso shots, caramel drizzle. Oh, it's a little. And a lid. There you have it. Mango dragon fruit, coconut milk, ice. Leave a little room at the top. Top it off with passion tea. Ta-da! Frap roast. Whole milk. Coffee base. Java chips. Mocha, some ice, pour it in, mocha drizzle, a lid. Ta-da! Here's a sugar-free drink for all you coffee lovers. Sugar-free vanilla, nitro cold brew, ice, topped off with almond milk. Enjoy!